Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Hope you are okay on that side of the screen. And today with a truly smart internet radio right over here from HAMA, which we are going to check in just 2 seconds.
I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
It wasn't 2 seconds, just a few more, and it wasn't just one radio. I've got 2 radios right over here. Basically, these are the colors available for this radio, which is a smart and the smartest radio that I've tested. I've tested several smart radios, but this one has something, actually a few things that make it really smart. But one personally got my attention, and I will share with you in just a few moments. Now, besides having all these smart capabilities, if you want to use it just like an FM radio, we can. And before I forget, it has an antenna right over here, which might be useful if your area doesn't have a good coverage, or the area in your house that you are using, such as myself. I'm on the basement, so in this particular case, I will not be using this. I will be using internet radio, which is the other mode that we can. So we can have FM radio, we can have also the internet radio. We can use it as a DAB, Bluetooth, auxiliary, podcasts, Amazon Music, and Spotify Connect. And let me just make a pause right over here on Spotify Connect. Now, usually any device that has Bluetooth will be able to play any stream that we can grab from our phone and then just AirPlay through Bluetooth. And that is good, but it's not great, especially for those that use Spotify like myself. The thing that I really enjoy right over here is that I'm able to connect my account to the radio, and after that I don't need to use my phone anymore. I can just place my playlists as favorites right over here. I can turn the radio on without my phone with me. I can choose the playlists, and bam, I'm listening to Spotify. Now, the only thing that I require right over here is a Wi-Fi internet connection, but basically that is it. And this is one of the things that I really enjoy. Like I said, on other radios that I've tested, I could push it through AirPlay, but I always had to use my phone, and it's not the best. We have smarter ways to do it, and HAMA did it right over here. Regarding the favorites that I was talking about, the Spotify favorite list, but we can use it with every mode that we have. So if I'm in FM radio, I can save my favorites right over there. If I'm on internet radio, I can save my favorites right over there. And if I'm on Spotify or Amazon Music, I can save my favorites right over there. Now, in terms of build quality, the radio is really well built, both the plastics and the speakers. 24 watts with the sound, the subwoofer, sorry, right over here. So a really solid radio. On the bottom we will find the rubber feet right over here, and also really quickly at the back, but I'll show you a better image, we will find the power input jack, auxiliary in, headphone out, and a 3.5 line out, and also a 5 volts 2 amps to charge our phone. On the front we will find on that image, or on this image, but I will share once again a better image, we will find some buttons right over here. We will see the number 1 and number 2, which basically are the shortcuts for our favorite lists, place 1 and place 2. The next button is the playlist, where we can choose the list that we want to play, and then the last one is an I, which is for information. We can cycle through different scenarios in terms of information of what we are listening to. Then we have the settings button right over here, then the mode button, which will cycle through Bluetooth, Spotify, radio, internet, and so on and so forth and so forth. And then we have the home button and the back button, and basically that is it. Really easy to use, really friendly. Anyone can use one thing like that, although it is very smart, and sometimes we call smart things and they are a little bit difficult to use, but in this particular case, really easy. Did I mention the antenna, which comes extended? It's not just the black one, it's also the white one. I'm just kidding. It's a great radio. So in conclusion, guys, if you are looking for something really interesting in terms of radio and you care about not only the quality of the audio that you are listening to, but also at the aesthetics of the radio and also the functionality, especially if you are a Spotify user or Amazon Music user, then this will make total sense. Not only those, but these are personally to me the ones that make a lot of sense in a radio that exists in 2021. And that being said, hope that the video was helpful in some way, and if it was, don't forget the usual thumbs up right over there. My name is Roberto Jorge, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.